Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Galaxy of Grammar. Today we are going to discuss about 10 most commonly used idioms. So stay tuned with me. I will be also describing some of the movies, video clips so that you may have a better idea where they are going to be used. So the first idiom is break a leg. It is used when you need to wish someone good luck. The night before his big speech, his best friend called and said, "You're going to do great. Break a leg." So now let's have a look at the video description of this idiom.
Hey, break a leg, everybody.
Hey, break a leg.
We'll break a leg tonight.
The next one is piece of cake, which means when you have something very easy to do. Fixing the broken chair was a piece of cake for John, who had it repaired in no time. Let's have a look at the video description now.
Job's a piece of cake, right? All we gotta do is get her there and take her back. Inside the hall, they got their own people.
Okay.
The third one is bite the bullet, when you have to face some difficult situation. Despite his fear of public speaking, Mark decided to bite the bullet and give the presentation himself. Let's have a look at the video description now.
Go ahead and bite the bullet and do what needs to be done. Because the math won't change.
The fourth one is let the cat out of the bag, which means to reveal a secret. Jane accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party when she mentioned the decorations to the birthday girl. Let's have a look at the video description now.
Garden wall story. Don't run with that.
Coffee,
Simon Foster's constituency office wall. Well, I mean, that's what you've got, haven't you? Oh shit, I haven't let the cat out of the bag, have I? Look, please, don't run with that because my reputation will be in tatters.
and he is gone.
All right, I guess the cat's out of the bag. Let me explain what's going on. Ricardo is really led.
The fifth one would be kick the bucket, which means to die. In the movie, the elderly man decided to travel the world and fulfill his dreams before he kicked the bucket. Let's see the video now.
Give up the ghost. Kick the bucket. Die.
Oh, I see what you're up to.
Number 6 is break the ice, to make people feel comfortable. To help everyone relax at the beginning of the meeting, Stephen told a funny story to break the ice. Let's have a look at the video description now.
I'm telling what will set you off. Introducing myself as your boyfriend, giving you the opportunity to drive me home, breaking the ice with your colleagues using ethnic humor. It's the funniest kind of humor.
Next one is spill the beans, which means to reveal a secret unintentionally. During the surprise party planning, Mark accidentally spilled the beans about the event while chatting with the birthday girl. Let's see the video description now.
Gosh. What? But you have so few good ideas, Leonard. And you're just going to spill the beans in front of an outsider?
Next one is the ball is in your court, which means it's your decision now or your responsibility to do something. Now that I have given you the information you need, the ball is in your court, make the next move. Let's have a video description now.
It's in your court now.
Don't care about the ball's in your court.
Some of your court.
The ball's in your court.
I think so. Ball's in your court.
Second last idiom is to burn the midnight oil, which means to work late into the night. To finish the project by the deadline, Emma burned the midnight oil every night for a week. Let's check the video.
Burning the midnight oil on this one.
That would be inadvisable.
Excuse me?
If you attempt to ignite a petroleum product on this ship at 0 hours, you will activate the fire suppression system, which would seal off this entire compartment.
That was just an expression.
Expression of what?
A figure of speech. I was trying to tell him that we'd be working late.
Ah, then to burn the midnight oil implies late work.
That's right.
The last idiom of the day is under the weather, which means feeling ill. The news anchor had been under the weather and unable to host the show for the past few days. Let's see the video.
I'm sorry that my husband won't be in attendance, but he's feeling a little under the weather. Excuse me.
So this was it with the most commonly used idioms. Rather, I would say some of the most commonly used idioms, because this was just a drop out of the sea. There are a lot more idioms that you can learn and you can use into your daily life to improve your English and to sound more natural. So keep learning and keep growing. I will see you with another video lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz. And before you leave, Don't forget to subscribe.